Hello everyone, it's Himani from EnglishWise Brisbane campus. I'm one of the PT trainers here. Today I want to share an amazing news with you guys. I've got Sameer with me. He was aiming for 50 overall and ended up getting 57 overall, which is very beautiful scores in his first attempt. So Sameer, would you like to share your experience with everyone?
Yes, my name is Mohammed Sameer Ahmed and I'm from EnglishWise Brisbane. And I'm looking for overall 50 in PT and I got 57 plus in each. Especially thanks for Manpreet ma'am, Himani ma'am and Navjot ma'am. They are very supportive and they are giving me one-to-one feedback, everyday sessions, everyday regular classes, and they clear my each and every doubt. I highly recommend you to come to EnglishWise. Thank you.
Yeah, and I really want to ask you, how was your experience with the mock test? The mock test and the feedback you were getting, from the teachers.
Yeah, it was very good. When I go to the mock test, I'm feeling like a real exam, and after that, when I'm getting my feedback, they are giving me the good feedback, each and everything, and they explain me each and everything and clear my every doubts.
That's beautiful. And Mohammed, what's your suggestion to those students who are struggling in getting their desired score? What's your suggestion to them?
Yeah, so I highly recommend you they come to the EnglishWise Brisbane, and they are taking a training from here and any other EnglishWise branch. It's very good and I highly recommend that.
That's great. So guys, if you are struggling in getting your desired score, make sure you visit your nearest EnglishWise branch. Till the time, keep practicing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.